Good morning and welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We do have mostly clear skies out there with a few clouds kind of off in the distance, but we will see that change as we go throughout the day. We'll see some extra clouds build in um, from the northwest. But otherwise, fairly seasonably or just above seasonable a day for today, and pretty nice. We will see the winds pick up a little bit this afternoon, but should stay below that wind advisory threshold. If you take a look at the current surface analysis, we do have the edge of that high pressure still built in over our area. We will see that start to move off to our east as we go throughout the day today. And over the next couple days, we'll see a few of these clipper systems that are moving off to our north, and their associated cold fronts will kind of be dropping through our area, expected to be relatively weak and dry with a few wind shifts and slightly cooler temps. But not expecting any significant impact from them right now. If you take a look at the current conditions as of 8 this morning, we do have a few clouds out there at 20,000 feet and the scattered clouds at 25,000 feet. Winds are out of the southeast at about 4 knots, temperature at 43 degrees, and relative humidity at 81%. Looking at the current satellite imagery, we can see there's that cloud material that is moving into our area, and we'll start to build in, so we'll see some increased clouds as we go throughout the day today. And again, those winds will become southeasterly and be a bit more gusty as we get into the afternoon hours. Looking at the high resolution NAM model for the next couple of days, again, not expecting much in the way of precip, and some fairly mild days for the most part. But we will see, again, that high pressure will move off to the east, and we'll see these kind of weak fronts come into the area as we move into Thursday. Thursday we'll see a slightly stronger front, not still a dry front, but we will see a little bit of a cool down as we get into Thursday evening. So looking at our 24-hour weather risk chart, green across the board today. Main thing will be the winds as we go throughout the day, expecting those to get gusty up to about 19 to 20 knot gust out of the south, and then shifting a bit to the south southwest, again 9 to 14 knots sustained, and gusting up to about 19 knots. Relatively warm, just above average as we go throughout the day today, with a high expected in the about the mid 50s as we get into the afternoon hours. Again, we will see those clouds build in as we go throughout the day, and as we move into the evening hours, those clouds will help to keep temperatures somewhat, keep them from dropping too fast, but we will have that weak cold front moving through that might help to cool things down slightly. But at the moment, we're expecting temperatures in the lower 40s for lows overnight. We look at the next couple days. Wednesday expected to be a fairly nice day, partly cloudy and mild throughout the day today with a high of about 58. Green for any weather risk for Wednesday. As we get into Wednesday night, another partly cloudy evening and cool, but still above average for this time of year. We'll see some increasing clouds as we get into Thursday morning with the approach of that dry front. Thursday we'll see mostly to partly cloudy skies, and we'll see those winds pick up fairly strongly as we get that frontal passage out of the northwest, and it'll help to cool things down for a little difference to kind of the last few days that have been kind of mild and about average. But nonetheless, we'll see a high of about 56 that day before it cools down behind that front. We do have a yellow risk for winds on Thursday. At the moment, we could see them in the low, wind gusts in the low 20 knots. So did put that yellow risk on there. We'll see how that plays out. Otherwise, that wraps up your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.